Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Power off and remove the battery because small springs can fly. This prevents damage and injury. Once done, expose the blade head by sliding or lifting the housing tabs. You should see the metal retaining clips. Use a small flat screwdriver to gently lever one clip outward while you steady the housing with your free hand. Work slowly. Prying too hard bends the clip. Make sure to keep the clip orientation visible for reassembly. Now you extract the clips. Support the blade assembly so pressure doesn't warp the alignment because bent blades cut poorly. Use needle nose pliers to pull the loosened clip straight out, not at an angle. This preserves its retaining curve. Once one clip clears, move to the next, alternating sides to maintain balance. If a clip resists, stop and reevaluate. Overforce can break the housing. Make sure each removed clip goes into a dedicated tray, so you finish by aligning the blade and housing exactly as they sat. This matters for cutting performance. Press each clip back into its groove, applying even pressure until you hear or feel the click. This secures the assembly. Once all clips are seated, reinsert the battery and test the trimmer briefly. Listen for vibration or unusual noise. If something feels off, stop. The common fix is misalignment or trapped debris, so reopen, clean contact points, and reseat clips. That usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.